actually is a private car rental business? Well, we're going to do a deep dive today into what a private car rental business is. I'm Alex Otto. I help people make cash flow with cheap economy cars. Okay, so when it comes to the private car rental business, most people know the car rental business as Turo. Turo is a peer-to-peer platform where anybody can take their vehicle, put it on the platform, and essentially run a car rental business. However, a private car rental business is when you rent your vehicle directly to the customer. So you eliminate all the middlemen. Now, why does it make sense to actually do a private car rental business? Well, even if you're renting your car on a platform like Turo, you are taking all the risk, right? You're buying the car, and on top of that, you're taking on the liability. You're still dealing with the customer, and you're losing up to 40% of your revenue by listing the car on a platform like Turo. Whereas if you have a private car rental business, you do essentially the same thing, except the only difference is that you have to go out there and find your customer. All right. So why do people actually make the switch from Turo to private car rentals? Because a lot of hosts end up making that switch, and that's something that I actually help hosts do. So if you're a Turo host looking to switch from Turo to private car rentals, use the link in the description below, and I'll be able to book a call with me, and I'll see how I can help you. The reason why a lot of Turo hosts actually make the switch is because it makes more sense to run as a business by going private. And here's what I mean by that. Well, since you're going to take all the risk anyway, right? You're going to deal with the liability of buying the car, owning the car, doing the maintenance, and dealing with the customer. If you're looking to build this as a real business, then going private 100% makes sense. Now, going private is also more profitable, right? Because if you look at companies like Enterprise and Hertz, who have been around since the 1950s, these are huge corporations, public companies, right, that essentially have been operating in the private car rental space for multiple decades. So this actually shows that there's a lot of longevity and consistency in this business. So for a host, you don't have to worry about the ups and downs of demand that you typically see on Turo. The reason why is because when you're on Turo, you're essentially dealing with Turo's market flow. So if Turo has busy periods, which they typically do during the summertime, then you see more bookings. But if they slow down during the colder seasons, during the winter time, or when people travel less, then you're typically going to see less bookings. However, if you go private, you can essentially create a business model that is going to be more consistent. So an example of that is, for me, I teach people how to create the niche of rideshare rentals specifically in the private car rental business. The reason why we like rideshare rentals is because it's more consistent. And on top of that, there's more demand in the industry. People need these cars to use the cars to work and make money. So typically, they're keeping your cars for 6 months at a time. So this means that it's highly scalable because your cars consistently stay on the road. So this begs the question that most people are going to ask, well, where do I find the renters? It's very simple. And you can do this right now as you're watching this video. You can go on Facebook Marketplace. You can take any economy car, whether it's one you have, or you can pull pictures off of Google or whatever, and you can list the car in the item for sale section on Facebook Marketplace. And in the description, you're just going to put that the car is for rent. What's going to happen is you're going to have a whole bunch of leads, and people are going to reach out to you who are interested in renting out your vehicle. This shows that the demand is there, and this sort of marketing is completely free and organic, right? And if you stack on top of that all the other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, where you can actually make posts, you can create business accounts, make posts, then you're gonna see more inflow of leads that way. And then we also have other outside sources of marketing with ads like Google, you have SEO, and you have Google pay-per-click ads, as well as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, right? So there's a huge way for you to market your business and get consistent leads. That's not going to be the problem. The main problem in this industry is the vehicles, right? Acquiring the vehicles. The reason why there are such large companies like Enterprise, Hertz, and Avis that make billions of dollars, and most of the time when you go to rent a car with them, they're still completely booked. It's because the demand for this industry is unlimited. The demand for cars in general is unlimited because it is a necessity, right? People need transportation. It's not a luxury. So because of this reason, you can insert yourself and position yourself correctly to benefit from it. So when it comes to acquiring the vehicles, all you need to do is go on Facebook Marketplace, and you can do this right now, and look up reliable cars, right? I typically tend to stick with Hondas, Toyotas. I like those two brands a lot. Reliable cars, and then you can get any car under $5,000. You're looking at $3,000 to $5,000. You can find anywhere from like a 2008 to like a 2016, 2017, 2018 Honda or Toyota for that price. And most people care about the miles. The miles doesn't really matter as long as the car is reliable. And for those brands specifically, those cars last a very long time. So you're gonna see the car do well as long as you buy a good car. Once you have the vehicle, it becomes important to protect your asset. Just like any business, risk management is a big part of this business as well. You want to ensure that you don't lose your car no matter what happens. So if somebody tries to steal it, right? Did somebody tries to take it somewhere? The customer is lying to you about where they are, which some of you, especially Turo hosts, may face because a lot of Turo hosts simply don't put any trackers in their vehicles. Trackers that we specifically want in the vehicles is one with a kill switch. Okay, the ability to remotely kill your vehicles. Right now, as you can see, I am in Colombia. I'm in Cartagena, Colombia, and I have the ability to turn off my vehicles even from here. So that gives you extreme leverage, and it makes it almost impossible for you to lose a car ever. So my recommendation for that is to go to a company called Gold Star. Gold Star by Sperian. They are the basically world class tracking system, state of the art, and you'll be able to protect your assets. Once you have that in there, and you have the renters coming through, then you essentially want to start doing your risk management, verifying your renters, making sure the license is valid. Right? There's many platforms you can use. One of my favorite that is new that just came out is called Rent ID. Rent ID is an AI tool, AI based verification system that allows you to verify your renters. It does ID verification, it does background check, and it gives you a report. It's extremely smooth. If you want the link to that, the link is in the description for Rent ID. Use that to sign up, right? And it's extremely affordable. So Rent ID is the way to go for risk management. And then obviously the big question that most people are going to have is, well, what about insurance? Okay, so you have a couple of options when it comes to the insurance. The way I recommend you to do your insurance is to go commercial. Okay, go commercial. If you have 1, 2 cars, you can go with a Roamly policy. Roamly will allow you to put a couple cars on to start with, and it's extremely cheap. Always get full coverage. It's about $90 a month, and you're using cheap cars anyway, so that won't be a problem. You put the cars on the Roamly policy, and you're ready to put the cars on the road. Okay. Now the main thing here, where this business becomes scalable and where you're gonna need help with, is operations. Okay. You can have the basic knowledge to walk you through how to make money with your first 2 cars, but when it comes to operating as a business, scaling your business, getting to the point where you can hire virtual assistants, you can outsource, delegate, and then be able to focus on bringing in more cars to increase the revenue of your business. This is where you're going to need help with. And this is what I do. I teach my students. So this is for serious people only. It does cost money to be in the mentorship. So you have to be ready. However, if you have 1 or 2 cars or you're on Turo and you're ready to make the switch, just click the link in the description below, and I'll see how I can help you. All right. So when it comes to operations, the main thing is making sure that you have your rental agreements in place, making sure that you have a system, right, a solid system with your rental softwares, especially. A lot of people overlook that. That makes your life a hell of a lot easier when it comes to rental softwares. The last thing you want to do is to be doing everything by paper. Okay, once you pass like 5 cars, you're gonna essentially lose track of everything. All right, so you want to make sure you have softwares and systems. Even if you're using things like Excel sheets, that's still better than paper. And then you have to consistently track. That's why you would need like a virtual assistant to be able to do that and help you with that. And I know a lot of you guys also have 9 to 5s, right? You work full-time jobs. So imagine trying to track everything from your rental business and working a full-time job is impossible. You will lose track. You will lose money. So operation is the most important part of it, but that is essentially the meat and bones of what the private car rental is. All right. So if you made it to the end of this video, just comment the word PCR below so that I know that you made it to the end. Right. Smash the like button if you're new to the channel. Feel free to subscribe. I will teach you every single week how to turn cheap cars into cash flow.